and after means matching the answers. Whatever the doubt regarding the chapter will be there, we'll discuss those at the time of question answer discussion, inshallah. So right now you just match your answers, okay? So again I'm telling you one more time because some students are continuously joining the class. So I'm telling you again. The female reproductive part of a flower, gynoecium. The stalk of a flower, pedicel. Yes, gynoecium. The stalk of a flower, pedicel. The part of a flower that develops into fruit, ovary. The part of a seed that develops from zygote, embryo. The middle pulpy layer of fruit, mesocarp. Hmm. Now the second exercise B, choose the correct option. Yes, mesocarp. Mesocarp. Hmm. Now the second exercise B, choose the correct option. Which of the following is not a part of flower? So out of four, one is not a part of flower. What are the part of flower? Four words are there. Calyx, corolla, gynoecium, and androecium. Again, all of you, if you will do like this, I'll don't behave like this. Don't start at the same time. Raise your hand if you want to say something. Yes, Kulsum. Yes, Kulsum. Yes. Androecium and gynoecium. So the answer is epicarp. The second, the part of the pistil that contains the egg in is this. Yes, Hamza. Yes, ovary. Which of the following is mostly pollinated by wind? Yes, Faizan. Yes, Faizan. Yes, third one. Maize. Yes, very good. Now the fourth one. This is the part of the seed that forms the root system after germination. Yes, Sarish. Second is ovary and third is maize. Now I ask fourth from Sarish. Epicarp. Yes, Mantasha Mariam. Hmm. Very good. Now, radical, yes. Which of the following is the monocot? Raise your hand. Ubeda. Maze, very good. Now, the exercise C. Correct the false statement by changing the underlined words. Now, raise your hand. All the floral part are seated on the ovary. What should be the correct word? Isma, yes. Isma, don't start this thing. I can see you raise hands. I can see you raise hands. So raise your hand only and don't means start speaking at the same time. Yes, it's thalamus. Yes. Now the second one. If you know the answer, just raise your hand. Don't start speaking. The outermost part of flower consists of petals. Yes, Hamza Hammer. Answer of first is thalamus. Be attentive. Be attentive. The answer of first is thalamus. Now I ask from Hamza Hammer second one. I ask again. The outermost wall of flower consists of petals. So in place of petals, what you should write? If they have written, your answer is correct. If they have mentioned petals, means the single unit. You also mentioned sepal. So they are asking the world made up of, consists of sepals. So correct answer is sepals. Now the third one, wind pollinated flowers have bright colors. Wind pollinated flowers are bright color. Mantasha. Yes, animal pollinated flowers have bright colors. Good. Now here, which one? Then the third and the fourth one, the stigma produces pollen grain. Raise your hand quickly. Raise your hand. Don't speak like this. I'll not consider this thing. Rashid Ali, yes. Hmm? Again, your name, Rashid. Hmm. Answer, yes. Okay. Now, the fifth one, the ripened ovule is called fruit. Kusum. Again, you people started the same thing. Don't disturb the class. Just raise your hand. Yes, Kusum. The ripened ovule is called fruit. Yes, Kusum. Yes, Rashid Ali. Ovary. Good. Now, exercise D. Complete the passage below by filling in the blank spaces. So here you have to choose one word out of two. Ovary. In place of ovule, you have to write ovary. Okay. Kulsum. I asked from Kulsum. Flower. Yes, flower is the reproductive part of a plant. Seed develop from Aman Jamal. Seed. Again started. Rashid Ali, is your father's name now? Yesterday you just mean sign in with your name, Ahmed Ali. Hmm? Your name is Ahmed Ali. Yes, Ahmed Ali Abdullah. Okay. And Ahmed Ali Abdullah, you don't start like this. If you want to say something, raise your hand. I'll give you chance. Okay, Ubeda. Yes, answer will be ovule. Then the Ahmed Ali Abdullah, I will block you if you will speak like this. If I will say, then only you will answer. If I will ask. So many students are there in the class. Let me give chance to them also. Okay. The blank forms the shoot system after seed germination. Nadia. Yes, Nadia. Am I not audible? Okay, Aman Jamal, you tell me. Aman Jamal. Plumule, yes. The plumule forms the shoot system after seed germination. Then The blank are the blank also called seed leaves. Nourish the developing embryo during germination. Yes, which is called seed leaf. This is Ahmad Ali Abdullah. Yes. Fourth blank. I am asking. Hmm. Be attentive. Cotyledon. Yes. Be attentive. Then my voice is not clear. Third one, plumule. Third one is plumule. No, 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 not radical beta. It's plumule. Yes, plumule. Yes. Now the fifth one, blank seeds have two cotyledon. Kulsum. Yes. Dicot. Fourth one is cotyledon. Now listen again. First one flower. Second is ovule. Third is plumule. Fourth is cotyledon. And fifth is dicot. Got it? Now let's start. Exercise E. Choose the odd one out in each of the following and give reasons for your choice. One has been done for you here. Like you just have a look on the example. Like root, stem, leaf, flower. Here, flower is the odd one as it is the reproductive part, and the rest three are the vegetative part. So you have to choose the odd one out, and you have to write the reason as well. Okay, understood? Okay. Okay, Hannah. First one. Which one is the odd one out? Hannah Ubad. Tell me which one is the odd one out. Yes. Sepal, petal, pedicel, carpel. Which one? Ayan Zubair. Fayaz Hassan. Hafsa Fatima. Amin Huda. Sabra Abdullah. No one knows. Okay, Isma. Which one is odd one out? Hmm? Exercise E. We are doing exercise E. Part 1 of it. Tell me the odd one out of 4. Sepal, petal, pedicel, carpel. Which one is the odd one out? Okay. Again. Say again. Yes. Yes. They are. Yes. Say again. You're not audible to me. Say again. Yes. Yes. So these three are the part of flower, and pedicel is not a part of flower. Okay. Now the second one. Second one. Stigma ovary anther style. Amin Uda, tell me. Amin Uda. Be- no, reason is not that, but the answer is correct. The odd one out is correct, but the reason is not correct. Yes, who will tell the correct reason? Kulsum? Kulsum? Fayaz, okay? Hmm. What are you saying? Yes, who will tell the correct answer? Faizan. Yes, Faizan. Okay. And who is this Zoom? Who is this? I should know your name. Who is this Zoom? Log in with your name only. Yes. Very good. Very good. MashaAllah. Very good. We should clap for you. Yes, I should clap for you. Very good answer. Okay. Now the third one. Now second is done. This Hamza told the correct answer. That anther is the part of male organ, male reproductive part of the flower, and stigma, ovary, style. They are the part of female reproduct. They are the part of the female reproductive part. They are the part of gynecium. Now the third one. Let's move to the third. And which one is the odd one out? Endocarp, seed. You just have to raise your hand. Don't start speaking. Speak in between of the class. Okay, endocarp, seed, apicarp, mesocarp. Which one is the odd one out? Yes, Ahmad Ali Abdullah. A bit louder. You're not audible to me. Seed, very good. But reason, seed, reason. My voice is not clear. No. Ahmed Ali, you're not audible. Speak a little bit louder. Okay. Because who will tell the correct answer? Yes, Faizan. Mantasha. Second reason. Wait, what is they? Listen first. Who was asking reason of second? Just be quiet for a minute. Yes, the reason for the second is anther is the part of male reproductive organ, and stigma, ovary, style, they are the part of female reproductive organ. Got it? What are you asking? Exercise E, part 1, we discussed. Answer is carpal. Sorry, pedicel. You were disconnected? Were you disconnected? The second, stigma ovary anther style. Anther is the odd one out because it's a part of male reproductive organ. And then the third one, endocarp, seed, epicarp, mesocarp. Here, correct answer you told, but reason, who will tell correct reason? Isma. Isma. Layers of what? They are the part of pericarp. Endocarp, epicarp, and mesocarp. They are the part of. Yes, because the other three because the other three are the part of pericarp. Now the fourth one, nectar, lightweight pollen, colored petals, and scent. Now, which one is the odd one out? Ayan Zubair, why are you not raising your hand? I told you to raise your hand. Okay, Ayan, tell me. Yes, reason. Quickly. Okay. Once again. Say again. Yes, because these features are there, that those are insect pollinated flower. Means these features are the insect pollinated flowers, and lightweight pollen. Again, you people started. What I told? Raise your hand only. Don't start this thing. And Isma, I given you 2 3 times chance to speak up. So don't do like this. Okay, the in the fifth one, seed coat, cotyledon, fruit, and embryo. And Azad, you tell me which one is the odd one out. Fruit is odd one out, correct. Very good. But the reason? Yes. Seed coat, cotyledon, and embryo, they are the part of seed. Very good. Now let's move to the next exercise. State the exact location of the following from the choices given below. So here you just have to choose the one out of two in where it is located, where it is present. So the first one is thalamus. You just raise your hand, whoever want to give answer. Okay. Okay, Isma, tell me. Thalamus. Isma. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Hum, I told Hamza, I think so. Yes. Hmm? Here you just look at the book, page number 33, Exercise F. State the exact location of the following from the choices given below. First is the thalamus, and you have to tell exact location where it is present. Here the two options they are in the bracket. Out of two, you have to choose one. Yes, tell me. Okay. Again, you started to. Yes, Ahmed Ali Abdullah, tell me. You're not audible to me. Speak a little bit louder. Razan, yes, you tell me. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. It is present at the top of pedicel. Now the next one is pedicel. Next one is pedicel. Ubeda, you tell me where it is located. Yes, very good. Very, very good. Below the thalamus. Who is this? Mantasha. When I am calling your name, you are not responding. Okay, Mantasha. Tell me the third one. Style. Yes, it is present. Yes, stalk of a flower. Now the fourth one, pollen grains. Kulsum, Sabra, Sabra, Shifa, Shifa, Yusuf Muhammad Azmi, Yusuf Muhammad Azmi. Don't say like this, okay? Don't do like this. Let me give chance to other also. Fatma Zora, yes, a stalk of fruit. Sabra Abdullah, Yusuf Muhammad Azmi, Shifa, Naba. No response. Faizan, quiet. What I told you, just raise hand. Other students are also there in class. Nabba Fatima, are you there in class? Am I audible to you? Nabba Fatima, no response at all. At least say yes or no, Nabba. If you don't know the answer, then also at least say that I don't know. Strange. No response. Azad, you tell me. The one. What? No. Aman, you tell me. Aman. A bit louder. Very good. Pollen grains, they are there in the anther. They landed on stigma. Azad, don't be confused. They stored in the anther, but they landed on the stigma at the time of Pollination means the transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma. That is pollination. Don't be confused with that, okay? But they are the part of the anther because pollen grain, they are the male reproductive cells. In that only the two male gametes are there. So this is the part of male reproductive system. Now the last one is endocarp. Last one is endocarp. Nadia. Faizan, Faizan, I asked you many times. Okay, you tell me. Faizan, between the seed and mesocarp. Where is endocarp written? Mesocarp. Hmm. Endocarp is present between the seed and the mesocarp. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to the next exercise. Let's move to the next exercise, that is G. Match the items in column A with that which is most appropriate in column B, and then rewrite the matching pairs also in your notebook. So here column A and the column B. Now Kulsum, you tell me the first one. Pollen grain. It should be matched with the hmm. It contained in anchor. Yes, good. Again, you people started. The pollen grain, she told correct. Yes, that is contained in anther. Now the next one is pollen tube. Mantasha, you tell me. Yes, pollen tube carry male gamete. We have Abdul Samad. Abdul Samad, now you tell me the third one, female gamete. It should match with the female gamete. Ah, last one what? Between the seed and the mesocarp, second option. Now the third one, female gamete. It should match with. I asked from Abdul Samad. Abdul Samad, am I audible to you? Yes. And who is this? Who is this? I have. Next time, log in with your name only. Okay. Isma, you tell me. Female gamete should match with the Isma. Aman, you tell me. Aman. Yes. Female gamete contain in ovule. Now the next one is ovary. It should match with. Can you tell me? Ovary should match with. Changes into fruit. Containing ovule A. Now the fifth one. Listen, listen. I'll tell you again the matching. Let me finish it first. So the fifth one is zygote. Mantasha, just tell me. Yes, correct. So now I'm telling you again, and you just check it. So pollen grain with D means first with D containing anther. Second is pollen tube. Pollen tube should match with G. Two match with G. Carry male gametes. And the third one is female gametes. Female gamete is it should match with that contained in ovule A, and ovary should match with the B, changes into fruit, and zygote should match with that is fifth one is forms embryo.